Are you a European seafarer looking for your next contract? We have an exciting opportunity waiting for you, close to home with reliable trade routes across the Mediterranean. We are recruiting second engineers for RoRo vessels under the Italian flag. Candidates with cruise ship backgrounds are also welcome. Your experience is valuable on these modern vessels. These ships operate in the Mediterranean trade, short sea routes, not long haul. That means more time near home and familiar EU ports such as Spain, Portugal and Italy. As a second engineer, you'll play a key role in the safe and efficient operation of the vessel's machinery. Your expertise in maintenance, troubleshooting and technical management keeps the ship moving. If you have cruise experience, this is your chance to transition into RoRo vessels. Your skills are transferable, and honestly, they're highly sought after. Contracts are offered on an FOC-style basis. That means you'll get competitive pay and flexible rotation schedules, but just to be clear, social security is not included. This setup is pretty common in international shipping, giving you straightforward contracts with direct conditions. With operations based in Spain, Portugal and nearby EU ports, this contract is ideal for seafarers who prefer to work closer to home within Europe. Language requirements: we are seeking EU crew only, with communication in EU languages. Whether you're Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Greek, or from another EU country, your skills are welcome here. If you are a second engineer or a seafarer with cruise ship background and you're ready for a Mediterranean opportunity, we want to hear from you. Apply now and join the team. Your next contract could be waiting closer than you think. Apply today. Mediterranean RoRo contracts for EU crew.